Today is day number 18 in our 30-day journey of relaunching your best easy work. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about something pretty important that I want you to implement in your business. And really, if you don't implement this strategy I'm going to show you in your business is going to stall. And here's why. If you're not improving your business, doing action steps every day, being consistent, then your business really won't move any forward. It won't move any forward from what you did the day before. So in the last video, I talked about automation. Really create an automated process in your business to allow you to free up some time so you could actually do other things to keep your business going. So definitely check out video number 17, day number 17, in order to get that idea of how automation could actually help you in your business. Because what I'm going to show you today is actually how to improve from that. Once you have automation in your business, you could now go to this point where you could feel free to actually implement the strategy and it could work very well for you. So the strategy I'm going to talk about today in today's video is about improvement, right? So if you have your business all set up, it's going pretty well, you always need to improve it. No matter if you have it on autopilot, no matter what it is, you need some improvement in order for it to further get better and better. And the thing I'm going to show you is to learn something new. I'm actually going to show you something that you could actually learn something new so you can foster this idea in your business and have improvement happening. Now, I've seen this before. It says, if you're not growing, you're dying. And in marketing, that's absolutely true. If you're not growing in your business every day, or, maybe not every day, but actually literally growing and evolving in how you, go about your marketing, then your business is really dying. Because believe it or not, we all start out as newbies, right? So if you're a new person started out, just like how I started out as a pure newbie. Didn't know much, didn't know how to do too much stuff, but it's the same process. I started out and started growing, and then my business really took off. So it's going to be the same concept with you. You could see all this marketing happening around you, and you're wondering, how do these people do all this stuff? How did they get to this point? And it's the same thing. They started out as newbies and grew, and over time, by learning and doing different things and implementing different things, they grew to the marketers that they are. So really keep this in mind. If you're not growing in your business, you are dying. So if you are content in being where you are or learning what you've already learned, then you know what, your business really won't go any further and you won't become any better marketer than what you are right now. And it's about you personally evolving. It's not about, can I do this thing or do that thing? It's about you actually evolving as a marketer. So the thing I'm going to show you today is actually how to implement some improvement in your business. It's about learning new things, right? It's not about, I put an ad on this traffic site today and now I'm done. I'm going to put another ad on that traffic site and now I'm done. It's about learning and improving your marketing skills and your ability. So I'm going to show you actually how to do this process. And I'm going to show you how to do that with teaching you how to make banners. Because this is actually making banners personally for yourself is going to be an important thing that you could do to move your business forward. It's also going to be something that, once you learn how to do this, it's going to further increase your confidence that you could actually learn marketing online and do it very well. Because I know a lot of these things look very complicated, very complex, and you don't know how to do them, and you're going, if I knew how to do these things, I'd be a better marketer or I'd get better results. And some of that is absolutely true. The more you know, right, the more you could do, the more your creativity starts coming out, the more you could be you in your marketing. And that's what's missing sometimes in your marketing, that you're not getting the results that you're seeking, is the idea that your marketing is missing an infusion from you. You are seeing all this stuff, right? You kind of know why you're online to make money. You know why you're doing marketing. You know what resonates with you. And wouldn't it be wonderful if you knew how to put that out there so other people could see it? right? See it in your marketing and be attracted to that kind of marketing. Say, you know what, that marketing style, that marketing message, that marketing, whatever it is, makes sense to me, and therefore I'm going to click on that link and go check this website out, right? So that's what I'm going to show you in the next, actually in this video series here. But you know, in order to show you that, because this video cannot be that long, I'm going to detail it in the action step. So in the link below this video, there's going to be a link. Actually, in the description below this video, there's going to be a link that's going to take you to a tutorial page that's going to show you how to make banners. It's going to walk you through step 1 through, you know, from beginning to end of how to make your banners and actually what to do with them. And actually, we're going to go back and use my favorite place here, this marketing portal, which is just fantastic for a lot of reasons. It allows you to, you know, really create some great advertisements, but also to test them, because you actually want a portal where you could test these things for free. And so IBO Toolbox is the absolute best place to go test your ideas, what you're working on. So as you can see here, I'm going to try and refresh and get a different banner. But you're shooting to get these top banners up here. That's what I'm going to show you how to do, how to make these top banners up here, so you could actually start posting your ideas. You know, you could be as creative as you want and create banners and actually put it up here and see the results of them. I'm actually going to take you in my back office of the IBO Toolbox and show you the results these things are getting. So these ads, remember I told you the very top ads here, they are the banner ads at the very top. Now, so these are the banner ads at the very top. You can see the percentage they get. They get like 7% click-through rate, 8%. So like 199 clicks, 275 clicks, you know, 8% click-through rate, 8%. You can see the banners get a lot more versus the listings. When I have listings, they get anywhere between 4 to 5% of people who are clicking on them versus, you know, 7 to 8 people for the banners. See, you can see the listings. Whenever you create listings, they usually have a lower conversion rate, right? A lower click-through rate, I mean, versus when you use the banners, you get a lot more click-through rates. Reason being, the banners are very visible at the top. No one can miss these. And there's more than this one site is place banners. So it's a good skill to learn how to place banners, because you can put them on a lot more sites, and this further separates you from all the newbie marketers out there, right? Because if there's a newbie marketer out there, chances are they have no idea how to make a banner. So imagine when you learn how to make a banner, you now further separate yourself from all the other people in that pool of people you are currently in. You just separate yourself out to say, you know what, I am a better marketer, and that's when you'll attract people to your business and get more activity. So what I want you to do today is actually, you know, work on improving. And to improve, you can see these banners. These are fantastic banners. And imagine if you had one at the very top here. So the thing today we're going to focus on is improvement. We're actually going to focus on you improving your marketing skills by, you know, learning a new skill. So what you want to do is click the button in the description box where I'm going to take you to a tutorial page where I'm going to walk you through how to create these banners that you could then place on IBO Toolbox to really test how they are. And like I mentioned, you can see that these banners get a lot more impressions. And actually, you know what? I'm going to show you a couple of them. So that's one of the banners I created. I mean, nothing's pretty simple, right? You're going, how can someone create these? You don't need to actually pay someone to do it. You could actually do it yourself. And when you do it yourself, you realize you could do this stuff. And then if you want to pay someone to do it, then you know, okay, they could do it, but you kind of know that it's not that hard. So what I'm going to do is put the tutorial page below the video here so you could go check it out. In addition to that, I think I'm going to leave some banners that you could actually use, banners that I've created, that you could actually copy and paste and go place on IBO Toolbox.